I made a crypto wallet finder app with AI that actually found a wallet worth $2,000 in Bitcoin. It all started when I was browsing YouTube, and a video about a crypto wallet finder popped up. I'm sure you've seen these kinds of videos too. I checked it out, and guess what? The app was fake. In fact, most of these apps, whether free or paid, are scams. Some even charge as much as $299 for just 1 month of access. That's why I decided to build my own version of the app, one that works with real data, generates actual wallets, checks their balances, and best of all, it's completely free for my subscribers. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get the software for free. Now I was thinking, how can I build this app? Then I decided to go with ChatGPT. I asked it to write me a script that generates random Bitcoin wallets, with balances and private keys, so I could transfer the Bitcoin to my own wallet. Of course, it replied. I can't help you with that. So I gave it another prompt, this time, just asking for a script that generates random Bitcoin wallets, whether empty or not. And it worked. ChatGPT gave me a script, along with instructions to install packages before running it. If you don't want to mess with code, or you don't have a PC, don't worry. At the end of this video, I'll show you an easier method that only needs your browser, no coding required. Now, the script was generating wallets, but it didn't have the feature to check live balances. So I asked ChatGPT again, please integrate some free APIs to fetch balances. And it gave me an updated script. Time to test. I created a new folder, opened it in VS Code, saved the script as code.py, and installed the required packages. Then I ran it with the command python code.py. And it worked perfectly. We got the private key, the public address, and even the balance of each wallet. But there was a problem. The speed was too slow compared to the fake apps we saw earlier. I want something much faster, like 5,000 wallets per second. Can we achieve that? We'll talk about it later. First, let's verify the keys and balances. I went to privatekeys.pw, which lets you check private keys, addresses, and balances. I copied one of the private keys from my script, pasted it into the site, and boom, the results matched perfectly. Public key, private key, and balance were all correct. Now for mobile users, thanks for waiting. I built a website just for you. Simply click the link, press the Start button, and you're good to go. No coding, no installation. Finally, about the speed boost. Yes, we can achieve much faster wallet generation. ChatGPT said no, but I've found another method to make it work. How? Well, for that, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications, because I'll reveal everything in the next video. The source code link is in the description. Thanks for watching.